How's it going, friends? Let's check whether what's shown in the thumbnail is actually true freaks without any long talk.
I'll put the link to the required file in the description. All right, friends, now let's get started and see how to use CapCut Pro for free.
I am Robert106.
Alright guys, first of all, if you have the normal CapCut installed, you need to safely uninstall it. Don't worry about this.
Just watch until the end, because if you miss any step, you might get confused. Let's go through it step by step together. Guys, please make sure to tick this checkbox. Otherwise, your previous project might be lost. Don't say later that I didn't warn you. People always end up doing exactly what they're told not to do. So go ahead and drop a comment saying how many times you've been scolded by your parents for doing the things you were told not to do. Guys, I've added the drive link in the description. Download the file I've put there and keep it.
Alright, after downloading from the link I gave you, it should look like this. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Then tick this option and install it.
Now just wait, and from this point on, don't skip or miss anything. There are some important steps you need to watch carefully.
I'm telling you again, there are some important steps from here, so watch carefully and follow them properly. And one more thing, don't be afraid to download this file. It doesn't contain any virus or malware. If you face any issue, leave a comment. There shouldn't be any problems. I take responsibility for it.
Alright guys, our Pro CapCut is now installed. Let's open it.
Everyone turn off your data and go here. Otherwise, guys, this is going to be updated. I'm gonna go here and check if I have any Pro features. Guys, let's get out of this. If there's an update, everything will be ruined. Guys, everything will have to be redone from the beginning.
Alright, now this is the most important part. Let's exit this and follow the next steps together, one by one. This is exactly the critical section I told you not to skip earlier. Hey guys, what I'm doing now is preventing the package from being updated. Now take a good look at what I'm doing. If there are any unclear points, look at that section again. First, go to the C drive, then open the Users folder. After that, go into your account name. In my case, it's just User, but for you, it will be your own username.
Now, check if there's a folder called App Data here. If you can't see it, go to the View tab at the top. Now, tick the checkboxes for File Name Extensions and Hidden Items, as I'm showing here. Now, go to the folder called Local, then go to the folder called CapCut. Then, let's go to the folder called User Data. Okay, now let's go to the folder called Download. Now, you guys will see a file called update.exe. You guys can create it. Right-click on it, click New, Text Document, save it as update.txt. I created this before, so I'm going to delete it. Now it works, guys. Guys, don't forget to tick this option. Only then the extensions will be visible. All right, I'll do that step again so you can see it clearly. The process isn't finished yet, so don't skip. There's something important coming next. Go to the C drive, then open the Users folder. After that, go into your username folder. Next, open App Data, then go into the Local folder. From there, find and open the CapCut folder, then go into User Data, and finally open the Download folder. Just follow exactly what I'm doing on screen, step by step. Now, on this one we created, right-click and go to Properties. Then tick the box next to Read Only and click Apply. And that's it. Now it's working, guys.
This should work for about 90% of you, so you can use the app without any worries. However, some of you might still face issues. If that happens, follow this method as well. Watch carefully, and if anything is unclear, feel free to replay this part.
Alright guys, now open CapCut and take a look. You should see a lot of features available. Things like auto captions and many settings are accessible. Everything should be working smoothly. To be honest, I even edited this video using the same CapCut setup. So guys, if you have any questions or need anything else, drop a comment below. I'll make more videos to help you out.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video I worked hard on, make sure to subscribe, like. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and support the channel, guys.